Heartopia.
And here they go. Just got here. I mean, this says go find Bob, but like, do I really? Okay. By the way, I said in the last video that this game reminded me of Wizard 101 because the music. Okay, this game is giving like, yes, Wizard 101 with the music, but this game is also giving me Animal Crossing. Like, am I losing it? Wait, is that a motorcycle? Okay. Let's see. What? He gave me a freaking moped? Alright, Bob, I take back everything I've ever said about you, dude. What? Bob? Okay, hold on, because... Bob? Did you take that freaking motorcycle back, dude? I mean, I can't prove that it was him, but it seems like something he would do. What? Apple? I don't know what Rainbow Blessing is. Is that like Rainbow Road? Okay, I look actually insane just running around with an axe. I think I'm gonna make the rug first. Alright, so period, we got our new rug. Okay, okay, okay. What, we can go to sleep? What? Hey girl, it's time to wake up. Sorry. Yeah, but we weren't done with the day. Sorry, girl. So where am I gonna put the house plant? I guess right here? No, I guess not. Boom. Oh my gosh. Dollar General? That's cool. I don't know if it really required all of that, but... Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end the episode here. Bye, y'all.